Inner Mongolia, about 167 million years ago. This climate was characterized by subtropical humidity, lacking severe winters, so the climate would have most likely experienced only wet and dry seasons. Ginkgos were the predominant plants, creating a vast canopy for millions of years, accompanied by plentiful benatites such as samnites, along with thriving ferns, conifers, and horsetails. Jeholopterus, an insectivorous pterosaur. Although the Jeholopterus skull is not fully intact, it reveals a short, rounded snout filled with many small, sharp teeth. Its large eyes and unusually short neck, roughly the same length as the skull, set it apart from other pterosaurs. The wings are sturdy, and the 3 free fingers are equipped with notably large claws. While the legs are not completely preserved and the tail remains unfound, Jeholopterus exhibits a skull shape typical of its group, with a broad mouth. Most of its teeth are small and peg-like, though some are longer and curved. The neck consists of 7 or 8 cervical vertebrae, alongside 12 or 13 dorsal vertebrae and 3 sacral vertebrae. It also has 5 pairs of belly ribs. The absence of tail vertebrae has led researchers to suggest that Jeholopterus likely had a short tail, characteristic common among anurognathids but rare in other pterosaur types, which usually possess longer tails. The presence of pycnofibers in the tail region has been used to support this idea, although a later study contended that it is impossible to draw conclusions about the tail since it is completely missing from the fossil. The wing bones of Jeholopterus are sturdy and well constructed. Its metacarpals are notably short, while a compact pteroid extends towards the body, supporting the anteriormost membrane, extending from the shoulder to the wrist. The claws on its hands are long and curved, and the wings, which attach at the ankle, relatively elongated, boasting a wingspan of about 35 inches. Although the legs are short, they are robust, and the toes feature well-developed curved claws, albeit shorter than those on the hands. The 5th toe is elongated, suggesting it supported a membrane between the legs known as the uropatagium. Additionally, another articulated specimen was found in 2009 in an early Cretaceous North Korean formation, marking the first Cretaceous record of Jeholopterus. Jeholopterus fossils have been found in China and North Korea. In 2002, a team of paleontologists named the genus Jeholopterus, with its sole known species being Jeholopterus nincongensis. The name Jeholopterus is a combination of its discovery location, Jehol in China, and the Greek word pteron, meaning wing. The specific name honors Ningqing County. The wings not only safeguard the bones but also retain remnants of the wing membranes. These remnants, among the most well-preserved found in any pterosaur, indicate that the wing membrane extended from the tip of the wing finger to the ankle, reinforced by parallel internal fibers. Similar to other pterosaurs, the body was adorned with short, hair-like fibers, giving it a rather fluffy appearance during its lifetime.